When planning to move abroad, whether for study, work, business, or permanent residency, it is important to start with the right information. Many people make costly mistakes simply because they relied on word of mouth, outdated blog posts, or unverified agents. The truth is that the safest and smartest way to handle your immigration process is to go directly to the source, and that source is the official government websites and tools of the country you are interested in. These platforms are designed to provide you with accurate, timely, and legal information on everything from visa applications to residency programs, job permits, scholarships, asylum procedures, and more. Using these official tools helps you avoid common immigration scams, misinformation, unnecessary fees, and even visa denials. In this detailed guide, we are going to show you some of the best government websites and tools that can assist you in your immigration journey no matter which country you are aiming for. These are the same platforms used by immigration lawyers, consultants, and embassies to process real applications. Let us walk you through each one so you can confidently take your next step. United States citizenship and immigration. Service as official government body that handles immigration to the United States is called the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This website is the central hub for everything related to U.S. immigration, including green card applications, naturalization and citizenship, asylum requests, temporary work permits, family-based petitions, and humanitarian programs. You can also use the site to check the status of your case, estimate application fees, access official forms for free, and receive automatic updates on immigration news and processing changes. One of the most helpful features is the online case tracking tool, where you can follow up on your application progress without visiting any physical office. This platform is especially important for people who are applying under categories like family reunification, employment-based green cards, and special programs for refugees and victims of crime. Canada immigration, refugees, and citizenship. Canada. If you are planning to move to Canada, the first place to visit is the official website of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. This government platform is responsible for managing immigration and citizenship services across the country. The site is very organized and beginner-friendly. You can use it to learn about various programs such as Express Entry for skilled workers, the Provincial Nominee Program for region-specific immigration, family sponsorships for bringing relatives, and student visa options for international learners. One of the most useful tools on the site is the Come to Canada tool. This feature allows you to check your eligibility based on your profile, education, work history, and language ability. You can also find a detailed step-by-step breakdown of the application process, download free forms, calculate your fees, and monitor updates related to your visa processing time. As United Kingdom Government of the United Kingdom Immigration Services. If you are thinking of moving to the United Kingdom, the official government website is the best place to begin. This site handles visa and immigration matters for all categories, including work visas, student visas, visitor visas, asylum applications, and family migration. The site also has a detailed tool where you can check if you need a visa, how long it will take to process, and what documents you need to prepare. You will also find updated lists of approved sponsors, universities, and employers who can offer you legal entry under the relevant visa programs. All application forms are available directly from the site, and you can apply online and receive emails about the progress of your application. Whether you are applying under the new skilled worker route, graduate visa pathway, or the global talent stream, the official United Kingdom immigration website should be your main source of truth. Australia, the Department of Home Affairs Australia, has one of the most structured immigration systems in the world, and their official Department of Home Affairs website is the best place to begin your journey. This government site covers all visa types, including permanent and temporary visas, study permits, working holiday programs, business and investor streams, and family-based migration. It also includes citizenship applications, refugee and humanitarian support, and travel exemptions, One of the most helpful tools is the Visa Finder. This tool allows you to input basic details about your situation and goals, and then shows you what types of visas you may qualify for. You can also check the estimated processing time for your application and get a checklist of all the documents you need to prepare. The site also offers news updates on immigration policy changes and health travel requirements, which are very useful if you are migrating during Global Health Alerts Germany. Make it in Germany if Germany is your dream destination. Then Make It in Germany is the most comprehensive and beginner-friendly government-backed portal you can use. This platform is especially created for international skilled workers, students, entrepreneurs, and researchers who want to migrate legally to Germany. The site is available in multiple languages and provides detailed guidance on how to apply for job seeker visas, work permits, study opportunities, startup support, and settlement residency options. One of the best features of this platform is the Quick Check tool, which helps you find the right visa route based on your professional background and goals. It also explains what documents are required, how to find a job in Germany, and how to integrate into society once you arrive. You will also find helpful articles about the cost of living, health insurance, and housing options. New Zealand Immigration New Zealand for anyone considering migration to New Zealand. The official immigration New Zealand website is your most reliable resource. The platform allows you to explore over 50 different visa types, including skilled migrant visas, entrepreneur visas, student pathways, partnership and family reunification programs, and resident class visas. You can use their visa eligibility checker tool to see if you qualify for a specific program based on your qualifications and background. The site also includes lists of in-demand occupations, accredited employers, and detailed step-by-step application instructions. You can also apply directly on the website, create an online profile, and monitor the status of your application. There are also downloadable guides and video tutorials to help you understand what to expect before and after arriving in New Zealand. European Union immigration portal. If you are looking to move to any European country, then the European Union immigration portal is a great place to start. This official platform provides clear and updated information for non-European Union citizens who want to live, work, or study in Europe. It connects you directly to national immigration websites of each member country, including France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, and more. You can find details about visa rules, residence permits, and employment requirements for each specific country. This portal is especially useful for comparing the different options available to you across the European Union and understanding which country offers the best fit for your skills and goals. European Jobs European Employment Services Portal. The European Employment Services Portal is a government-supported job network that connects job seekers to legal employment opportunities in Europe. The site is managed by the European Commission and includes job listings, resume submission features, career advice, and support for relocation. It also provides links to employers who are authorized to hire international candidates. Whether you are a healthcare professional, engineer, hospitality worker, or digital nomad, this site can help you find real job offers that align with visa and residence permit options. International travel and visa requirements. International Air Travel Association Travel Central. This platform is not run by a single government. The International Air Travel Association Travel Center is a trusted global tool used by airlines and governments to check travel and visa requirements. It provides real-time information on what documents you need to enter specific countries, including transit rules, vaccination requirements, health tests, and visa on arrival options. Many embassies refer travelers to this tool when trying to confirm what paperwork is needed before flying. It is especially helpful if you are visiting multiple countries or changing flights across regions. United Nations Support for Refugees. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee for those fleeing conflict, persecution, or displacement. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees provides vital support and legal aid. This international organization works with governments to protect and relocate vulnerable individuals. On their website, you will find country-specific asylum procedures, resettlement programs, rights of displaced persons, and contact information for local offices that provide shelter, food, and legal help. While it is not a visa processing platform, it is an important starting point for individuals seeking humanitarian protection. If you need personal help or one-on-one guidance about your immigration journey, do not hesitate to check the description box where we have shared links to book a private consultation with an expert who can answer your questions directly and help you avoid mistakes. Until then, stay safe.